Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play more video games. First, let's talk about strategic scheduling. Dedicate specific time blocks, perhaps 2 to 3 hours daily, just for gaming. Treat these sessions like important appointments you cannot miss. Even 15-minute windows can be used for quick levels or daily quests. This structured approach ensures consistent playtime, making gaming a regular, enjoyable part of your day. Next, optimize your environment. A distraction-free zone is crucial. Turn off notifications on your phone and close unnecessary tabs on your computer. Ensure your chair is ergonomic and lighting is adequate to prevent eye strain during long sessions. Having water and a small snack nearby means fewer interruptions, allowing you to stay immersed in your game for longer periods. Now, let's maximize each gaming session's efficiency. Before you start, decide what you want to accomplish, whether it's completing a quest or reaching a new level. Avoid checking social media or answering emails during play. If you only have 20 minutes, focus intensely on one objective. This focused approach ensures every minute spent gaming is productive and truly enjoyable. Finally, sustain your gaming habit for the long term. Take a 5 to 10 minute break every 1 to 1.5 hours to stretch and rest your eyes. Drink plenty of water and have healthy snacks to keep your energy up. Getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep nightly is vital for maintaining focus and reaction times. These practices prevent burnout, ensuring you can enjoy gaming consistently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.